What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hustle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this from right here, King Hustle 2.0, King Hustle reaction videos, King Hustle X1M, The Hustle Family, turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Now listen, there's a lot of people still talking to these fake King Hustle social media platforms, and still getting scammed and still writing me and getting mad at me and stuff like that. And I need y'all to be more aware. I need y'all to be more clear and see what's really going on, because a lot of people don't understand that. Listen, first of all, my IG is not King Hustle on YouTube. So if you talk to a King Hustle on YouTube IG page and you really think that's me, that's on you. Second, I don't got 50, 60,000 followers on IG. Only 29,000 followers on IG. So if you talking to a King Hustle page with 50, 60,000 followers, that's not me. All right? Third, if you talking to a King Hustle page that's following more people, that's following them, which means they got 200 followers and they following 500 people with 6 pictures or video, whatever, that's not me. You can clearly look at a page and see if it's fake or not. My IG ain't no King Hustle backup. It ain't King Hustle on YouTube. It's King Hustle X1M and the real King Hustle X1M. The links are in my bio. So all my links, all my little at pages ain't in my bio, that's not me. If you're talking to a Telegram with the name King Hustle or Hustle Nation, that's not me. That's ain't none of them names that I use for Telegram. YouTube, it's a fake YouTube that got like 30, 50 pages that always comment under the comments. If you comment, they comment like it's like Telegram King Hustle X1. The tail and Telegram spelled weird or something like that. That's not me. Please just be more aware. And before you send your money to anybody, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see it in this face right here so you won't get scammed. Easy as that, all right? So let's be more aware. Let's be more smart in 2023, please. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So in today's video, you know me, I'm going to give you all the sauce that you need. I'm going to give you all the sauce that you need to succeed. I'm going to let you guys know, I'm going to drop the sauce on how you could remove hard inquiries off your credit report and be successful with it. So a lot of people will be asking me, hey man, I need credit help, I need trade lines, I need AUs, I need to get these collections off my report, I need to get these repos off my report, I need to get these evictions off my report, I need to get all this stuff off my report. What can I do? And I tell people, like, listen, you got to start from, like, everything with credit is a process. Point blank period. Trust the process. And a lot of people think, all right, once I do this credit building, once I pay them my money, tomorrow I'm gonna have a 750 credit score. Tomorrow I'm gonna do this. No, it's a process. Everything takes at least 2 weeks, at the minimum 15 days. So boom. It's 3 ways for you to get hard inquiries off your credit report, all right? The first way is doing it online. There's a lot of different websites that you can go to dispute it and get it off your credit if it works. The second way of getting hard inquiries off your credit report is through the mail, which is a more effective way than using the internet, right? So boom, a lot of people mailing, they figure out, they go in their credit report, they look and see what's going on, they look at their inquiries, and they say, okay, this company reports to this place right here. So let me, and it gives you the number and the address too on some of the websites, so you can easily just send a letter to them. And Experian will literally tell you, like, give you the template and all that, what to send the letter to and all that. So, boom, you figure out who's reporting, you get the report slip, and you mail it in, right? You mail the letters in, right? Boom. And then the third way to get hard inquiries off your credit report is to call. And what I mean by call is when you go look at it on your credit report, when you go get your credit file and all that, your CP, it gives you the number of who's reporting it. So you call them like, yes, this is I'm disputing this inquiry. It's not accurate. Blase, blase, bow, boom. So some people, they might, freeze their credit profile. So when they go to check, because like I said, the way you remove collections or anything off your credit is you freeze your credit profile. So then you dispute it. So once you dispute it and they go to check and make sure everything is accurate and correct, they can't get into your credit profile, which means they have no choice but to delete it off your credit. Point blank, period. You just gotta know what to say, what to turn in, what to, you know what I'm saying, when you disputing it. But like I said, as long as they can't get in and check, they have no choice but to dispute it. But to delete it off your credit report. So boom. So boom. Once they can't check it and they can't verify that it's accurate, they delete it. Now when you're doing it online, the minimum it could take is 15 days, right? So roughly 2 weeks. 2 weeks in a day. Put it like that, right? 2 weeks in a day. So if you're doing it online and you're disputing it, don't expect for you to get a result the next day. Don't expect for you to get a result the day after that. Matter of fact, just forget about it and just wait. All right? Just wait, forget about it, because you'll get an email and then be like, you got an update on your dispute. Click here. Boom, you click on it, like, it's been deleted or it's not been deleted. Now listen, a lot of people get discouraged if it doesn't delete the first time. Eventually it will delete if it doesn't delete the first time. So keep doing the same process until it deletes, because it will delete. Sometimes it will delete the first time, sometimes it deletes the second time, sometimes it delete the third time, sometimes it delete the fourth time, the fifth time. All right? So don't get discouraged. Don't give up on the process. Continue to, I'm over here dropping other YouTube videos on other YouTube channels. Continue to just dropped the video on the King Hustle reaction video channel. Make sure you go check that out. Continue to at the process until it deletes off. Now, when you're doing the letters, it's the same thing. Continue to, if it doesn't work the first time, continue to mail the letters off, but it'll probably work a little faster with the letters. Boom. When you call, you just have to know what to say and make sure your credit is froze, so when they go to check, it get deleted off your credit. Now, it's been some instances, some cases where I've done some people credit, and the first time I disputed it, it's been deleted off the first time. Easy as that. You see, all this credit stuff is a science. Everything in the world is a science, and I've been preaching and teaching this since the beginning of time. Everything is a science, and once you learn the science of everything will be easy. Once you learn 2 + 2 = 10 in this game, in this science, you will understand everything way clearer, and it'll be way easier, because everything works off percentage. This is a percentage, this is a percentage, this is a percentage, and this is reflected on your CP, your credit profile. Point blank, period. A lot of people don't understand that. And I want to get everybody in the process of understanding what's really going on with credit, how to manage credit, how to build credit, how to clean credit, how to leverage their credit. So you can start making millions, so you can start being in a position to win, so you can be that entrepreneur that you set out to be. Because like I said, everybody who's watching these videos, no one wants to work. Everyone's tired of working 9 to 5s. Everybody want to make all this money that they see everybody else making on social media. So you're going to have to put in a little legwork. You're going to have to meddle and learn a little bit about credit. You're going to have to clean your credit. You're going to have to get your life together. And that's the American dream. That's the American way, to get their life together and get their credit together. Because like I said, it's a lot of people I've been talking to. They're like, oh, my granny, my parents told me never get credit cards, loans, and all that. That's dumb. You're supposed to get these things to build your credit, your CP, so the next generation, the generation after that, can have something you can build and start investing, getting loans, investing, and making profit and paying off loans, building your credit that way, and keep the process going. That's how you really get trillions and stuff like that. Keep the process going. So that's how you remove hard inquiries off your credit report, your CP. You need any help, make sure you tap in with me on credit, with my credit repair, my credit company, New Age Credit Repair. You need help cleaning your credit. You need help building your credit, personal or business. Tap in with me. Got trade lines, got AUs, got everything that you need. Now I want everybody to understand out there, when you got people out there saying, "Oh, I got these cheap AUs and trade lines," don't believe that. It's not cheap. Trade lines and AUs are not cheap. Those are, I mean, it might be, those aren't cheap because they're gonna start at like $800, $700, $1,000, things like that. So stop getting tricked and scammed for thinking people are gonna put these little petty trade lines and AUs in use. You're gonna put your skyrocket. The more you become educated in the world, the more you'll stop getting duped and scammed. Not people doing these little CPNs and trade lines. No, just stop getting duped. So make sure y'all tap in. Anybody out there that's looking to get their lessons, they want to learn how to make passive income, want to learn how to make thousands of dollars a day off IG or social media platforms, want to learn how to clean their credit, want to learn how to build their credit, personal and business, want to learn how to make money, period, tap in with me. Basic lessons right now, $500, unlimited gyms, $2,000, in person, in state, $3,500, out of state, $4,500, $500 deposit. Once you pay your $500, we pick your date when what's going on. So make sure y'all tap in. I'm still looking for people for the production company. I'm still looking for rappers, actors, producers, models, content curators, cameraman. So anybody out there that's a good cameraman, you good behind that camera, and you got some good editing skills, tap in with me. Preferably Houston, Texas, but if you can fly out, you can move and groove, you can navigate, tap in with me. I'm looking for producers. I'm looking for producers. I'm looking for rap artists. I'm looking for content creators. You got at least 500 subscribers on YouTube and at least 2,000 watch time hours. Tap in with me. Let's make this money. Let's work together. Let me show you some tricks of the trade and show you how to grow your platform. Let's get entertainment going together. Models out there, you tired of looking cute for free, you tired of shaking your hiney for free on social media, you tired of taking all these pictures and not getting nowhere with it, just being a social media model, Instagram model for free, tap in with me. I'm gonna put you in all the positions to win. I'm gonna show you how to make money off your videos. I'm gonna show you how to make money off your appearance. I'm gonna show you how to elevate and grow. I'm gonna show you how to be a businesswoman. I'm gonna show you how to invest. I'm gonna show you how to be blessed. So make sure you tap in with me. Come get these gems. Come figure out how to be a businesswoman, a businessman, and let's get these M's. It's your boy King Hustle. Shout out to all my real King Hustle fans. Shout out to all my King Hustle supporters. Without y'all, if you know me, you motivate me to keep going. You motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, these videos. You motivate me to do positive things. So I appreciate y'all. Y'all know how I get down. Oh yeah, make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all following this channel, King Hustle 2.0, King Hustle X1M. King Hustle reaction videos and Turn Motivation to Millions, because I'm about to do a giveaway. 5 people. I'm giving away some shoes, lessons, and all that. So make sure you tapping in, because once I drop the video on how to enter the raffle, I need y'all to be aware. And you never know what channel I drop the giveaway on, the video on. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so you already know. So tap in. It's your boy King Hustle. Follow me on my real IG, King Hustle X1M. The link is in the bio, and my backup is in the bio, and in my link in my real IG. So you can't get fooled, you can't get duped. It's your boy King Hustle. I'll see you next video. Peace.